I recently tackled the exact frustration of a slow Samsung 990 Pro SSD myself, spending countless hours testing every possible solution. After identifying several methods that genuinely restored performance, I am now going to share those effective strategies with you. This guide will show you how to fix Samsung 990 Pro SSD slow speed lag and performance issues effectively. First, updating your SSD's firmware and system drivers is crucial. Think of firmware as the SSD's brain. Updates often contain critical bug fixes and performance improvements that make your drive run smoother and faster. Similarly, updated storage drivers ensure your computer talks to the SSD in the most efficient way possible, preventing communication bottlenecks. Next, optimizing your drive's internal settings helps a lot. Features like DRAM actively clean up old data blocks, keeping your SSD ready for new writes and preventing slowdowns over time. Over-provisioning sets aside a small portion of the drive for background tasks, which greatly improves long-term performance and lifespan. Changing your computer's power management is another key step. Sometimes your system might be telling the SSD to enter low power states too aggressively, which delays its response time when you need it most. Ensuring it gets consistent power prevents these tiny hesitations that feel like lag. Finally, running diagnostics and cleaning up your system can uncover hidden problems. Diagnostics check the SSD for any hardware glitches or errors, while removing old temporary files and junk data frees up valuable space and system resources, allowing your SSD to operate without unnecessary burdens. By addressing these core areas, your Samsung 990 Pro will return to its blazing fast performance.